Are you struggling to manage security in your school, factory, or commercial building? Do you want to reduce risks, improve operational efficiency, and ensure the safety of your facilities? Today, we'll introduce ACTi's NVR3 solution, a cutting-edge tool designed to help you seamlessly manage the security of people, vehicles, and assets. Let's dive in to discover how it can transform your operations and make your workplace smarter and safer. ACTi's NVR3 is equipped with an advanced metadata search feature that allows you to quickly classify and locate specific individuals. Whether by gender, age, clothing color, or behavior, this feature delivers results in seconds. In educational settings, it helps schools efficiently monitor visitors and unauthorized access, ensuring a safe and secure campus environment. NVR3 extends its metadata search capabilities to vehicles. With filters for type, brand, and color, it simplifies vehicle management. For factory environments, this feature enhances parking lot oversight and ensures incoming and outgoing vehicles are aligned with approval lists, improving logistics efficiency and reducing potential safety risks. NVR3 offers robust facial recognition technology to identify individuals on a blacklist. By simply inputting suspect data, the system automatically scans and alerts you to potential threats. This is crucial for commercial buildings, where high security needs demand precise monitoring of sensitive areas, keeping unwanted individuals at bay and ensuring tenant safety. When it comes to vehicle security, NVR3's license plate recognition functionality is unparalleled. It identifies both complete and partial plate numbers to deliver fast and accurate results. In schools, this feature helps manage parking lots, identify blacklisted vehicles, and prevent unauthorized access to ensure a safe campus environment. Lastly, NVR3's Object Analytics feature verifies search results with precise thumbnails and allows for quick playback of incidents. With its ability to export data, this functionality supports security managers in handling incidents in schools, factories, and commercial buildings efficiently, providing critical evidence for decision-making and law enforcement. ACTi's NVR3 doesn't just make security management smarter, it solves real-world challenges. Visit our website at www.acti.com, our products, Windows, NVR, to explore its full features and experience the difference it can make in your operations. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more transformative solutions, and let's build a safer future together.
For personalized inquiries, feel free to reach out to us at sales@acti.com or connect with us on WhatsApp.